Hello all and welcome back. I hope you had a good week. This week will be a little less heavy than last week was content-wise, so that should give you a little bit of a break there. I hope everyone is doing great. As you can see, I'm recording in the day. I'm not sleep deprived. It's great. So, with that being said, enjoy your science fact. And now we're going to move on to our expectations for this week. So, they're pretty straightforward this week. We are going to wrap up genetic drift and move on to speciation. So, first things first, I want you to read 9.4 of your textbook. That will help you get prepared for what we're going to be talking about later. And then there is a genetic drift review ed puzzle, that's an Amoeba Sisters, for you to just go over bottleneck effect and founder's effect. For those of you who are having trouble with that, I think it will be a good review overall. You all need to do it, but it will help those who are struggling, I think. There are 2 more case studies of evolution in animals. We're focusing on fish this week for that. To do below that, then there is a lecture portion on evolutionary trees and speciation, and then a speciation practice. So, if we go onto Moodle, and you click on week 6, May 4th through 8th, you will see the textbook, the genetic drift review, the 2 case studies, the lecture, and the worksheet. And the worksheet is really, really easy. I'm going to walk you through it right now. On this worksheet, I'm going to give you a scenario on reproduction. And based on the notes, you need to watch the lecture portion first. You're going to tell me geographic or reproductive. If it's reproductive, pre or post-zygotic. And then the type of isolating mechanism if it is pre-zygotic. So, for instance, if the answer is geographic, you pick that, you don't worry about the rest in the row. If it's reproductive, then you move on. If it's post-zygotic, you stop. If it's pre-zygotic, you move on. It's very straightforward. What you'll do is you'll complete the worksheet. I would recommend downloading it and then highlighting the correct answers, and then either emailing it to me or putting it in the Dropbox. All of this is due at the end of the week. I hope you have a wonderful week. It's starting to warm up out there. It's making us want to go outside even more. But stay with the guidelines, guys. We're almost through this. We're getting there. And have a great rest of your week. Let me know if you have any questions.